In this video, we're going to talk about two of the most popular freelance platforms out there, UpWork and Fiverr, and how you can earn money on these platforms with the help of ChatGPT. As you probably know, freelancing is becoming more and more popular every day, and platforms like UpWork and Fiverr are making it easier than ever to connect with clients from all over the world. However, it can be overwhelming to navigate these platforms and figure out how to stand out from the competition. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With the help of our trusty language model, you can improve your skills, learn new techniques, and become a successful freelancer. So grab a coffee and get ready to take some notes, because we're about to dive into the 10 specific ways you can earn money on Upwork and Fiverr with the help of ChatGPT. Number 1. Content writing and copywriting. One of the most in-demand skills on both Upwork and Fiverr is content writing and copywriting. Writing engaging and informative content is key to a successful online presence. As a freelancer, you can offer your services for creating blog posts, articles, product descriptions, or even resumes, to name a few. With ChatGPT, you can improve your writing skills by getting instant feedback and suggestions on your writing, along with tips on how to make your content more effective. Number 2. Graphic design and logo design. Another in-demand skill is graphic design and logo design. You can create visually appealing graphics, logos, social media posts, and other visual content for clients on these platforms. If you're proficient in tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, or Canva, you can offer your services to create professional designs. With the help of ChatGPT, you can learn about the latest design trends, get feedback on your work, and improve your skills. Number 3. Video editing and animation. With the rise of video content, video editing and animation have become valuable skills for freelancers. You can edit videos for clients on Upwork and Fiverr. Whether it's for social media, YouTube, or other platforms, you can also offer animation services for creating explainer videos, motion graphics, or even 2D and 3D animations. With the help of ChatGPT, you can learn about different video editing software and animation techniques, so you can deliver high-quality work to your clients. Number 4. Social media marketing and management. Social media is a crucial aspect of any business's marketing strategy. If you're knowledgeable about different social media platforms and can create engaging content, you can offer your services as a social media marketer and manager on these platforms. You can create content, manage social media accounts, and even run social media campaigns for clients. With ChatGPT, you can learn about different social media marketing strategies, how to create compelling content, and how to analyze social media metrics. Number 5. Virtual assistants and customer support. Virtual assistants and customer support professionals are in high demand on Upwork and Fiverr. If you're good at managing schedules, booking appointments, responding to your emails, and handling administrative tasks, you can offer your services as a virtual assistant or customer support representative. You can manage a client's inbox, handle customer inquiries, or even provide chat support. ChatGPT can help you improve your communication skills, learn about different tools and software that virtual assistants use, and become even more efficient in your work. Number 6. Web and mobile development. Whether it's building websites, designing landing pages, or creating mobile apps, web and mobile development is a highly sought-after skill. You can also offer services related to website and mobile app maintenance and updates. With ChatGPT, you can learn about different web and mobile development languages and frameworks, get feedback on your coding, and improve your skills. Number 7. Translation and localization. If you're fluent in multiple languages, you can offer your services as a translator or localization specialist on these platforms. Whether it's translating documents, websites, or social media posts, your clients will appreciate your language skills. Localization services involve adapting content for specific countries or cultures, such as converting currencies or adapting images to suit a specific audience. With the help of ChatGPT, you can improve your language skills, learn about cultural differences, and become a better translator. Number 8. Voiceover and audio production. If you have a good voice and have some audio production skills, you can offer your services as a voiceover artist on Upwork and Fiverr. Clients need voiceover for explainer videos, animations, and podcasts. You can also offer audio production services such as sound design and audio editing. ChatGPT can help you learn about different audio production software and techniques, how to record high-quality audio, and how to improve your voiceover skills. Number 9. Search engine optimization. SEO is a crucial part of any business's digital marketing strategy. If you're knowledgeable about SEO and can improve a website's visibility on search engines, offer your services as an SEO expert. You can perform keyword research, optimize website content, and analyze website traffic to improve search engine rankings. With help by ChatGPT, you can learn about different SEO strategies, stay up to date with the latest SEO trends, and improve your SEO skills. Number 10. Data entry and research. Clients need help with data entry tasks, such as inputting data into spreadsheets or databases. You can also offer research services such as market research or industry analysis. With the help of ChatGPT, you can become more efficient at data entry tasks, learn about different research methods, and become better at analyzing data. And there you have it, folks. 10 specific ways to earn money on Upwork and Fiverr with the help of ChatGPT. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a developer, or a researcher, there are plenty of opportunities to earn a living on these platforms. With the help of ChatGPT, you can improve your skills, learn about different tools and techniques, and become a better freelancer. So, if you're looking to earn money as a freelancer, sign up for Upwork or Fiverr and start building your freelance career today. We hope you found this video informative and helpful on your freelancing journey. But wait, before you go, we have a favor to ask. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.